Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your your X account private. So to do that, you're going to go to the More section, go to Settings and Privacy, go to your account and go to Account Information. You might need to put in like your password before going in here, and then you're going to just go to the Protected Posts. Then you're going to enable Protected Posts, protect my account. If I go back to my profile, there's going to be a lock here, which means I'm private, like the account. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.